HVAC and plumbing might sound like they're kinda the same, but they actually handle totally different stuff in your home. So, HVAC stands for heating, ventilation, and air conditioning, which is all about keeping your indoor air comfy and breathable. It includes things like furnaces, air conditioners, ductwork, and ventilation systems that move air around. Plumbing, on the other hand, deals with all the pipes and fixtures that bring you hot and cold water, plus stuff like water heaters and drainage. Like, plumbing makes sure you get water where you need it and gets rid of wastewater properly. Heating can be part of plumbing if it's about pipes carrying hot water for radiators or underfloor heating, but HVAC covers heating through air systems. Also, HVAC handles things like humidifiers and exhaust fans that help control indoor air quality, but plumbing doesn't touch those. Basically, if it's air moving or conditioning, that's HVAC. If it's water moving through pipes, that's plumbing. One of the biggest mistakes people make is mixing up HVAC and plumbing when calling for repairs, which can waste time and money. Make sure you know if your issue is with airflow or water flow before you call a pro. Another common problem is ignoring regular maintenance on HVAC systems or plumbing pipes, which leads to bigger breakdowns later. Simple checks like changing filters or watching for leaks can save you headaches. Also, people often forget that HVAC needs proper ventilation to work well. Blocked vents or dirty ducts can seriously mess with your comfort and energy bills, so keep those clear and clean. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors who really know their stuff, so you don't have to stress about who to call when something breaks. Plus, it gives contractors a way to get work by connecting them with people nearby looking for help with their home projects.